Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balawan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Kakunhoni lakai football jongki kintai nagari Bhutan, kala Pynliem no da laigo la not, ya kakunhoni lakai football gikintai naga jila Meghalaya, hakalempung lakai bala tip kum ka under 17 girls FIFA friendly match, ya ka bala penlong da ka Meghalaya Football Association, harengkat ka jingya trailang bat ka Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs, hamadan lakai Jawaharlal Nehru Complex Stadium, haka arpuai tarik u kelalengkot arajar arpo. Hagani ke jingya kun ka captain jong ka kunhoni lakai na Bhutan, ka Sonam Chodan, kala yok pen ki ningkong ya ka jar tang ya sedang ke jingya kun. Ondala sedang biang ke jingya kun haka kelamit ka Sonam Lamo, kala yok pen ki ya ka jar na ka benta ka ri Bhutan. Wala kitay lakai ke jila Meghalaya kilai kun ting ban yok pen pai kelai ya kini ki argol, nrei kim sim lala satya ban khanglat ya kitay lakai jong ka ri Bhutan, ki bala yok ban pen ki biang ya ka jar haka kenti ka balai ka balawan leng ba ka Sonam Chodan. Hagani ke jingya kun la sakhilang daga Director jong katanat Sports and Youth Affairs ka kong Wanri AM Booth ka balalong ka kong San bat kiway. Ki artli ki jingya kun ki badang sa hapadeng kini ki artli ki kinhon kan salong biang haka arpulai terik ukalalengkot arjar arpo hamadan Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium haka por arbaje no paisngi.
was a very good match. It was very tough because we are not used to the ground and the weather condition, and we did not have any idea about how their team would be, and they played well, and it was tough for us to win, but fortunately we won by 3-0, and I would like to thank all the supporters for coming and watching our